BrandsMart is a regional electronics and appliance distributor. My role there is at the current Vice President of Service. Well, ServicePower we started with in basically the latter half of the 2008, full implementation by 2009, and we are using the scheduling unit that we use. ServicePower also assisted with us on our front end that we use, as well as our mobile devices that we use out there in the field for our technicians. Back in 2008, prior to the ServicePower implementation, it was papers everywhere, and it was quite disorganized. So what ServicePower has done for us is to, of course, eliminated our paper. It's entirely. Our record keeping is extremely accurate and easy to use. The field management has become unbelievably better. We have a great efficiency with our technicians at this moment in regard to the routing and optimization of their schedule. They are able to complete more jobs per day, which is a great experience for our customers to be able to achieve that. Our billing and claim services is it's night and day. Claims are going through on a daily basis via an electronic file, and to ServicePower, who processes and forwards our bills and claims and so forth. So basically, overall, it's changed our operation to a very efficient operation, even down to the GPS services that we use, with enhanced our fuel efficiency, especially being able to maintain our mileage and so forth on the trucks with our technicians. It's a great communication piece to that of the customer, keeping them informed as to the status of their repair, and giving them all the information that they need to know about it, as far as including that of the tech that's coming, a picture of them and name, and it continues on with the status after that if there's parts to be ordered and so forth, and it's a great piece.